Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about deletion of a Python variable. So most often what happens is that we create the variables and then we use it in our program. But in order to maintain the buffer space, we have to remove the variables, and we should keep removing the variables from the memory so that we can optimize our memory consumption and increase the efficiency of our code. Assume a scenario that you have a very big module in which you have done a lot of transformation, where you have kept a lot of variables. Now you might need to optimize the code, and in order to optimize the code you have to remove those variables because those variables are consuming memory. And in order to increase the efficiency of your code, the moment you use a variable and you know that this variable is not going to get used in next further lines of code or in future, so you have to delete it at the same moment once you have used that variable. So we can delete the reference to a number of object or variable by using a simple del, which is delete statement. And the syntax of del statement is that you put del and then you give the list of variable name. When I'm saying list, it is separated by comma, or you can simply use one variable name, let's say del var1, and this will delete the variable from the memory. So we can delete a single object or multiple object by using the delete statement in our program. So let's create variable and then print it, and then we are going to delete it and then see what does Python show us. So let me take example from my previous video where I had declared three variables, name, age and weight, and printed it, right? So let me copy this and put it over here, and then I'm going to copy this print statement and put within the same cell, and let's run it. So we have name, age and weight, and it's getting printed over here. Okay, this history saving, let me restart the kernel. Okay, so let's run this code again. So we have name, age, weight, and it's getting printed over here. What if we want to delete name? In that case, we simply put del and then this variable name, which is name. Now if I print this name, you will see that we are going to get an error saying that name variable is not declared. So name error, name is not defined. Sorry, it's not declared, not defined. So you will get an error which says name is not defined, right? Similarly, with this name, what you can do is that we can delete multiple variables. So let's delete age and weight altogether. Let's run this first, and we can print this name. Post that, we can print age, comma, weight. Okay, we have smaller case w over here. Okay, let's run this. So now when we run this, the first thing that Python does is that it deletes these two variables from the memory. Then it goes to this line. It sees that name is present in the memory, so it prints the name Atul. And then on this third line, when program comes, it sees that age and weight is not present in the memory because it has been already deleted from the memory. That's why it is showing us name error, name age is not defined. And the moment program sees that age is not over there, it stops the processing and it shows you the error. So Python program over here has not gone to this weight. So let me remove this age over here and again run it. Okay, I need to run this again. Okay, now with this weight, you can see that it's showing weight is not defined because weight has been already deleted on the top. So this code, we have deleted the variables and we try to use a deleted variable, then Python interpreter has thrown an error and showed us that the variables are not defined, right? So this is how basically you can use a variable in your program and then delete it in order to optimize your code and to optimize your memory consumption. Happy learning and see you in the next video.